This is my dog, Bugger. Did I get my intro? I'll just say it again. Hi guys, this is my dog, Bugger. He's super cute. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him go. Wompy, where's Wampus? Oh yeah, there's Wampus. There's a Wampus. So, I'm sorry for the long wait. I went down to Detroit on Sunday. So it's kind of been really long since I've done the FNAF because I'm absolutely scared of that. For some reason, is there water on my camera? So I'm absolutely scared of it. I don't know why. But sorry for the long wait. I will be posting this, I hope, not deleting it again. So, sorry. Well, I'm here again. So, like and subscribe, hit the like button, smash that subscribe button. Hope you guys will like all of my videos. Thank you. And I am almost doing a challenge. I have to think of one, but as always, I'll see all you chubbers in the next video.